Struggling to find your Namecheap transactions buried in the dashboard? In 3 minutes, you will know exactly how to view, filter, and export them. No more clicking around wondering where your billing history went. We will start from the Namecheap homepage. Then we will navigate through your account, into Profile, over to Billing, and finally into Transactions. Let us walk through it together. All right, so let us begin from the Namecheap homepage. This is the main site you log into. Just make sure you are signed in first, and we will go from there. So now that we have got that set up, let us move on to the next part. Look at the top right corner of the page. You will see your account avatar or your username. Click on that Account button right there. That is your gateway to everything behind the scenes. Once the drop-down menu appears, you need to click on Profile. This is where all of your personal settings live. It is the second option down in that list. Just one click and you are in. Now, pay attention to this one. On the left-hand side of the profile page, there is a vertical menu. You want to click on Billing. It is usually near the bottom of that list. This area handles everything related to payments and invoices. Under the Billing section, you will see several tabs across the top. Click on the one that says Transactions. This is where the magic happens. This page shows you your entire history of payments, top-ups, and purchases. And here is the really important part. At first, the Transactions page might only show you a handful of recent items. To see everything, look for a link or button that says View All. Click on that. It will expand the list to show your complete history. This might take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of records. Now that you can see the full list, let us narrow things down. You will notice a date range displayed near the top of the list. It probably shows the last 30 days by default. Click on that date range to open a calendar. You can pick any start and end date you want. This is perfect if you are looking for a specific month or quarter. To really zero in on exactly what you need, click on the Filters option. This is often a small button next to the date range. A panel will slide out with different categories. You can filter by transaction type, status, or even amount. It saves a ton of time when you are looking for a specific renewal or a specific top-up. Let us say you have found a particular transaction you want to flag. You can click on the Highlight option. This will color that row so it stands out from the rest. It is a handy visual tool, especially if you are comparing multiple items. When you need more information on any single transaction, just click on the Details button. This opens a full breakdown. You will see the exact date, the payment method used, the invoice number, and the status. Very thorough. Now for the final piece. If you need a record for your accountant or your own files, you can export this. On the Details page, look for the Print Download option. Click on it. A small window will pop up asking you to confirm. Just click Print Download again to confirm the action. Depending on your browser settings, it will either save a PDF automatically or ask you where to put it. And just like that, you have gone from lost in the Namecheap dashboard to confidently locating, filtering, and exporting any transaction you need. Hopefully that saved you some frustration. Thanks for sticking with me to the end.